Okay, here I have our golf clubs, which has 3 additional woods in the bag that were Lynn's, or are Lynn's. And I never use this. I've been to the driving range once in the last 12 years, trying to clear out some space in the garage. So I had thought I'm going to go drop it off at Goodwill, but instead I believe I will continue with my BlueTruckChurch and find a garage sale tomorrow, Saturday, on Lynn's birthday, actually, her 62nd birthday, November 21st, 2020. And I'll donate it to their garage sale, and maybe they can make a couple dollars and find somebody that can take advantage of an inexpensive set of clubs for his and hers. Okay, that's all I got. And a little bit of sun, and there's me, and there's the Blue Truck Church, which I should finally get a chance to do something with after helping Lynn and our contractor Josh spend 3+ months getting our rental house ready to go. And that lizard wants to go with us too. And he's going into the truck. Very good.